Before I started my YouTube channel 11 years ago, I used to do a TV gig. Yes, it was called Crank It Up. Here's one of my old shirts. Don't make fun of the name. I did that on CBS TV for a couple of decades, and people are always saying, Scotty, whatever happened to those old videos you did? Well, I dug around in my messy garage and found a bunch of these old videos. So here's some old school Scotty. There's nothing like a rocket ride on your sleigh this holidays, except when a flat tire lets you down. If you've ever noticed, motorcycles don't have spare tires. There's no room to put them anywhere. But even if you had a spare, it wouldn't do you that much good because the front tire is a different size from the back tire, so you'd need two. But I found the solution, and it's under my seat. It's a progressive suspension tire repair kit. It's got everything you need to fix the motorcycle tire right on the motorcycle. An air supply and patches to patch the hole. Here's a motorcycle tire with a nail in it, and I'll show you how easy the kit is to use. First, you pull out the nail. Then you get the glue and the tool out of the kit and put some glue on the end of the tool. Then you stick it in the hole and ream it around to clean it out and get glue in the hole. Then you break the tire plug out of its little case, and don't forget to take the little green off so it'll stick well. Then you put a little bit more glue on the end to make sure it sticks in good. Then you push it into the hole till it's snug. Then pull out the tool and cut the excess off to about 1/4 inch from the end with a razor blade. Then just screw the tank on so you can fill it up with air. Then just screw it onto your tire stem and squeeze the trigger to fill it up with air. So before you blast off on a holiday ride,
don't drop that!
Make sure you pack a parachute so you can have a soft landing. This is Scotty Kilmer helping you blow it up. Have a happy holidays. So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.